Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you would be able to get your vehicle into neutral via you can't find the key, or your car is broken down and you need to get this into neutral. You've got the park safety switch engaged, and we need to get to the component to be able to release it. So first you're going to want to pop this the leather boot cover. We pop that off just by pushing a tool in there, and you're going to see a yellow lever here, and by depressing it down we'll be able to move the gear selector to put our vehicle into neutral so that we can move it to where we push it out of the road, or to be able to tow it, and then just push it back up to park and it locks again. And if you need to move it again, it's the same thing. Just press that down, and you'll have to press the knob on the front, but that's the way you can put your car into neutral manually if you're having trouble with finding the key, or the car is broken down and you need to move it. And then just snap your cover back into place. And so that's how you would access your neutral park safety release. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.